At the end of a hard day, it's nice to kick back and relax with a glass of wine. But if you have young children or pets, you'll know how quickly and easily your nice glass of wine can escalate into a full-scale disaster. Suddenly, your wine is upturned and you have the contents of the glass seeking to destroy every area of the floor it touches. But fear not. We hope you like the floor finishes as much as we do, but what about the wine? We're glad you asked. Yes, that's us, pouring the good stuff all over the floor. This is because we're about to perform a couple of red wine tests. For the first test, we're going to leave the notoriously stubborn red wine on the surface of the floor for a period of 30 seconds. To remove it, we're simply going to use kitchen roll, an everyday household essential. Let's see the outcome. The red wine is completely absorbed by the kitchen roll and the floor is left stain-free, as good as new. Time to ramp up the test a little and leave it on for a duration that would normally permanently ruin most surfaces. We're going to leave this lovely Malbec on the floor for a good 10 minutes. Let's see how the Claddtechs flooring holds up. Using kitchen roll, just like before, we've soaked up the excess and then added a small amount of warm water to remove the final residue. As you can see, the floor has performed amazingly and is as good as new. So, if you want to enjoy your glass of wine in peace, then our stone-reinforced composite flooring has got you covered.